Love it. Hey Devin, come here and talk what's new for you, man. So you got what, 2020 Raptor? It's fine.
No, it's not fun. Oh, dude.
Oh, come on, doctor.
No, wait, what did I do there? I forget what I did there.
Just a little.
I think I scrubbed a little something.
Oh, a little something.
That's it, yeah. So, obviously, you guys have never seen this on the channel before. Like I said, I just got this probably a month ago, maybe. I got this actually for a sweet deal. It was actually used, but it had 3,000 miles on it. Bought it from a Toyota dealership. The previous owner actually traded in for a minivan, so I got pretty lucky by finding this because I've been looking for one for a long time. And you guys may remember my red WRX, which I had previously. I actually ended up selling that. Got a 2016 Ram 2500. Just deleted that, tuned it. It was a fun truck. I put some wheels on it for a little bit. Maybe if we can put a picture of that real quick. But ended up, yeah, not really needing a diesel anymore, and I wanted something that's still fun to drive. So I figured, you know, Raptor, it's a truck. It's you know, it's still a utility vehicle, but it's really fun to drive. So, but you know, I can't have anything without doing something to it. So we're gonna start here by putting the exhaust on it, and we'll see what else we can do.
Right on. What's that color, Devin?
This is a Leadfoot gray. So this is actually the color I wanted the most. It was between this and white. And I also really didn't want, like, you know, you guys probably know like the Raptor stickers that they put on these things.
No.
I'm not a big fan of those. So I just went with the Leadfoot gray and tinted the windows, and I just think it looks awesome. So yeah, so it's actually the part on the other side of the axle. This is all gonna stay the same because this thing actually has sweet tips on it.
Yeah, right on.
They're actually really big, and they're already black. They're not just regular brushed. So yeah,
cool.
Took a long time actually. Took, I don't know, 2 months I think before since I ordered it.
To get in fully.
Yeah, because it's actually like made to order. Because I don't want to void a warranty, because I opted for like the highest warranty on this truck. So I really didn't want to have anything that would cause that to be voided, and then I'm stuck with paying for anything that goes wrong with the truck.
A couple things first, step by step.
Yeah.
Good starting point.
Take all this out. From AWE. See, this is why I buy stuff from good companies. They give you blow pops, you know. All right, so just to give you guys kind of a better deal, or show you guys more so what we're working on here. It's actually going to be this muffler right here that we're going to be getting rid of. So, and then it's going to actually shoot up the back here over the axle. But this is the main thing that we'll be getting rid of, and then hopefully, you know, this truck's actually going to become a lot louder and have a good tone to it.
Hey, you can't.
We're shipping you out to AWE.
Aye, Captain.
Doctor, you find some care package?
Dr. Dixie Rect, find me on Xbox.
Hey, in instructions, man.
Digital instructions.
Step number 1.
You really just got to get after it. If you guys want to, you know, download the instructions too, here you go.
Oh, focus, baby. There it is.
Yeah, if you want to follow along
manual.
with us, there you go. Real quick. That's all.
That's it. Just a good Raptor. That's it. While you start rocking and rolling, I'll show you the inside here, boys. Just a good Raptor. Oh, hi there, sir.
Hi, Dad.
Oh, father.
15 mil D-boy? Yeah, for today's
Little paddle shifter action. Massive back seat. Definitely one of the coolest trucks I've ever been in, so it's a good one.
What?
My dude, you need a creeper?
Creeper did.
No.
We were just talking about it this morning. Oh, goodbye.
Hang yourself.
Yeah.
Hey, Logs.
Quiet.
So, we got a creeper for you, boss.
Yeah, we do have a creeper for
Right
it.
here.
Yeah, so I took that as like.
It might be a little sore on the back.
Right?
You won't slip though.
A little grip action. You're welcome.
You're welcome.
There's your creeper.
See, innovation. This is
You're gonna be doming the fucking exhaust as you're going back.
this is what K-driven's all about.
K-driven.
Hey, Lokes.
Really fucking sucks.
Does it really? Well, here, I bet you it helps though.
No, probably not.
No, because I'm gonna have fucking neck muscles like a god.
You got a 23-inch neck there, Lokes?
He's gonna be veined out on his neck.
Oh, big man's got a big neck.
Let's see.
Logan, you look a little bit not comfortable.
Shout out to CJ Off Road for this informative video.
Center section. As you can see, we've got 2 band clamps right here. If you've still got a fast
This is something. Mean front end there, Devski. Hey, boss.
Copyright. 350Z impersonation.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Trumpets all day.
Oh,
All right, so little update here. We have Logan down here. Logan, a little update.
Well, I got the 4 factory clamps loose. No, I'm just working on the hanger.
So yeah, it's kind of a pain too, because I actually just got this truck undercoated, which you guys can maybe see in
yeah, I got you.
Yeah, let's get a little lighting.
Oh,
Here. Yeah, so
my
it's
God.
basically like a rubberized coating. Basically rust proofs the bottom of your truck, which is really nice because I mean we're in Wisconsin, so I mean after 1 or 2 winters you already start to see little spots of rust. So this will hopefully help that. And it's honestly really not that bad of pricing for saving the underside of your truck. They also do offer ones that you can actually like get like the inside of like the doors and like the bed sides and everything, and it'll basically rust proof the whole truck. But I just opted for the underside of it because I honestly really don't know how long I'll have this truck, and I don't know if I'm not gonna have it that long. I don't see the point in basically paying double to get the whole truck rust proof versus just doing the bottom. So, Dad.
Oh, doctor. Dev, this looks nice, man. We never said we know what we're doing.
We never said we know what we're doing.
We actually went through some of our originals and found the original band clamp off the Raptor.
There you go.
We're going to reuse it for this 8-in-1 kit. So you're gonna
Back in school, boys. Oh, look, see under here? Man, that coating looks nice, dude.
It's a good coating.
Yeah, just a good coating. It's like 4 exhausts on this truck.
Exhaust for your exhaust.
Oh, yeah.
Need 3 exhausts for your exhaust. For the exhaust. For that exhaust. This exhaust, that exhaust.
Oh!
Number 1.
Look at that.
Oh, we got her.
We're looking for it.
That's what we're switching out. Getting that 40-pound hog to those little guys.
Yeah.
Alright.
Hey, looks. Good job, boss.
Yeah,
Dev?
that's basically the whole section right there. These pipes are gonna replace that section right
Yeah.
there.
What?
That goes the other way around.
Just runs it.
You take these.
Little sneak.
You coming?
We
we had a little issue with like readjusting like the exhaust tips.
Yep.
Because one side is very rigid, because it has more exhaust hangers. Then the driver's side is more rigid than the passenger side.
Yep.
So just getting the passenger side exhaust tip into place was just a little bit more work, but
It was what, like an 1/8 inch or so, maybe a quarter, maybe a
yeah,
quarter.
if that.
No.
But I mean, when you got adjustment, you might as well use it and put it when it's perfect.
Hell yeah! All right, Dev.
All right, I guess.
You ready for the old start up?
See what the cold start sounds like. Yeah.
Let's get it.
Pretty throaty at idle.
Oh man, that's deep.
It gets higher up once you get onto it. We'll get a couple revs in here.
I mean, it's good.
It sounds
Nice and
good.
deep, man.
It sounds good.
Logan's just gonna check for a couple leaks on here. Are we doing good? Looks like it.
Well, I'm happy.
We got her. No more leaks down here?
I don't know.
How's she feel?
I don't feel really anything right now.
Good deal. Got it. Alright, so we're just gonna get just a couple quick drive-bys, right, Dev?
Quick little drive-bys, yeah. So you guys can hear what it's like under load, actually. Jesus, drop the phone!
We're good. Alright.
Gosh, Boost Mobile's gonna hate you.
Boost Mobile.
Boost Mobile. Put your seatbelt on!
Alright. Man. Man, that sounds good. Oh man. That was spicy, dude. That's good. Oh man.
Alright, so that's gonna wrap it up for our video of the AWE 2FG exhaust stall on my 2020 Ford Raptor. And hope you guys liked the video. Hope you guys enjoyed hearing this thing for the first time. And yeah, thanks you guys for watching. Like, subscribe if you guys want. We really appreciate it. This is kind of restarting our channel here, so we'll definitely see that, notice that. So thank you guys, and stay driven.